A very good morning to my lovely little learners. I hope each one of you is keeping well. For today's maths class, we'll be continuing further with the chapter Time. And for today's class, I'll ask you to open page number 133 of your maths book. Days of a week. My dear learners, you are well aware that there are 7 days in a week. They are in order as follows. Monday. Monday is the first day of the week, followed by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is the 7th day of the week and it is a holiday. Now, my dear learners, let's start the bookwork given on page number 133. So, there are fill in the blanks. Friday comes after. So, after which day can you find a Friday coming? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So, Friday comes after what? Yes, Friday comes after Thursday. So let's write Thursday in the blank. Thursday. Now the next one. Tuesday comes in between. So Tuesday comes in between which other 2 days? Yes, it's Monday and Wednesday. So let's write Monday in the first blank, followed by Wednesday in the other. Now the next one. Wednesday comes before. So tell me, before which day you will find Wednesday? Yes, it's Thursday. Wednesday just comes before Thursday. Thursday. Now, write the names of the days of a week in order. So, let's start with Monday, Monday, which is the first day of the week, followed by Tuesday, Tuesday. Then you have Wednesday, Wednesday. Then you have Thursday, followed by Friday. Then you have a Saturday, and the last one would be Sunday. Now the last question on the page is match the following. So which is the third day of the week? Let's read Monday, Tuesday and it's Wednesday. So I'm writing number 1 for Wednesday. Then the 5th day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and you have a Friday. So Friday is the 5th day of the week. Then what comes after Friday? So what comes after Friday? Yes, it's a Saturday. Then what is a holiday? Which day of a week is a permanent holiday for y'all? Yeah, it's a Sunday. Then that comes before Wednesday. So what comes before Wednesday? So you have Wednesday and what's just before Wednesday? It's a Tuesday. Then comes after Sunday. What just comes after the Sunday? Yes, it's the Monday. And the last one, the 4th day of the week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So we complete the exercise given on page number 133. Now let's turn to page 134. Our next topic is yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Let's begin with yesterday. My dear learners, the day before today was yesterday. That means if today is Monday, yesterday was, can you guess? Yes, it was a Sunday. And what would be tomorrow? Today is Monday, so tomorrow would be Tuesday. Now, let's begin with months of the year. My dear learners, you all are well aware that there are 12 months in a year, beginning with the first month, that is January, followed by February. Then comes the third month, which is March. And here comes April, followed by the fifth month, that is May. Then comes the sixth month of the year, that is June. Here comes the seventh month, that is July, followed by the eighth month, August. Here we have the ninth month, September, followed by the 10th month, October. And then the second last month, that means the 11th month, comes as November. And finally the year ends with the last month, December. Now my dear learners, as we have completed the explanation of the second topic as well, let's start with the bookwork given on page number 134. So let's start with the question. Write the correct answer. So, if today is Monday, yesterday was. So, what was yesterday? Can you tell me? Yes, it was a Sunday, which is a holiday. So, let's put a tick. Now, come to the next one. If today is Friday, tomorrow will be. So, what comes just after Friday? Friday followed by Saturday. Now the next one. The day that comes after Saturday is. So what follows Saturday? Yes, it's a holiday. That means it's a Sunday. And the last one is the day that comes in between Tuesday and Thursday is. So let's speak out the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So the answer would be Wednesday. My dear learners, now for matching, I would suggest you to do number matching, because when you draw lines to match both the columns, your notebook and your work looks very untidy. So the first one is March. So let's see what is the answer for March. Comes after January? No, it doesn't come after January. Comes before October. Does March comes before October? Nah. Then the next one comes in between February and April. So it's February, March followed by April. So let's write number 1. Now the next one, June. So what about June? June comes after May. May is the 5th month and June is the 6th month. So write the answer 2. September. When does September comes? Yes, September comes just before October. So let's write number 3. December. What about December? It is the last month of the year. That means it's the 12th month of the year. Then you have July, which comes just after June. And the last one is February, which comes after January. So my dear learners, here we complete the chapter Time. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask us. That would be all for the day. Thank you and God bless.